Today is the second day of the conference, and this day is the Industry Day. So we started with an industrial keynote this morning by Ivo Bolsens from AMD, who gave us some insights in the evolutions that he sees in the hardware. Today is about bringing industry and academia together because it's all about collaboration.
I have been a member of the HiPEAC community since 2006. First as a student, then a postdoc researcher, then industrial researcher, and now as a founder and entrepreneur. I've been to the last 9 out of 10 editions of HiPEAC. I always come to this because HiPEAC is an unrivaled network for networking in computing systems in Europe and beyond. HiPEAC rocks.
Today I mostly talked with industrials. Even there are different industrials with different stuff. They mostly are asked with AI and embedded systems and microarchitectures with high performances. So I think that will orient my career in this field because it's the future, it's the field of the future, and it just started developing and it won't stop developing in the next years.